One of the easiest ways to monetize your YouTube channel is to add links like this one into your video description. So you can see here that I review these very expensive luxury headphones. And if people click this link and then purchase the headphones, in fact, if they go to this link and then purchase anything from Amazon in a short period, I'll get a commission on that sale. In fact, a lot of the commissions I'm getting are from products that I haven't even reviewed. It's just that I'm generating traffic to Amazon and then people go and purchase something else. So the key here is make sure that you get an adequate number of views using search engine optimization, using certain keywords in your YouTube, in your description, the title, use appropriate hashtags, etc., tags, to get relevant traffic for people that would be interested in buying these products. So another thing to keep in mind is that on channels like LinkedIn, what they want you to do is to put links not in the description or not in the post itself, but in the comments. However, on YouTube, it's the opposite. You can actually get your channel banned if you post, for example, these Amazon affiliate links in the comments. They're going to think you're spamming. So what you want to do is put it in the description. Another key thing to do is to mention it in the video. Get in the habit of inserting sales pitches into your videos so that you can say, I bought this on Amazon, the shipping was great on Amazon, etc. If it's true, of course. If you didn't get it on Amazon, don't lie. If you're selling a product that's your own product or your own software, your own whatever, you don't need to use the Amazon affiliate link or any affiliate link. You just link to your website and try to promote your product, promote your free consultation, your demo, your free trial, whatever it is. However, if you really just want to be a media company and produce videos and gets lots of views, then you need a way to monetize. And the easiest way to get started with this is just to sign up for Amazon Associates. And once you sign up for Amazon Associates, what you're going to get is this tool bar at the top of your Amazon searches, and it's going to allow you to generate a link for anything you're searching for. So let's just check out something here. I'm going to type in Bose headphones. Okay, so here, these headphones, about half the price of the ones I promoted. Now, review expensive products because I like expensive products. I like luxury products. But the other benefit of that is you get a bigger commission on the sale. But if you're going for high volume, cheap products, that's fine as well. That's a valid strategy. You don't necessarily have to do high ticket marketing, and that's something that I've had a lot of success with is low ticket marketing. But anyways, here we are with this sort of mid-priced product, and I can simply click text here and copy this link and then paste it into the description. We also have some other options here for image and text plus image. So here, for example, this would be small, medium, and large versions of this image, and then we can have text plus image, where you can see that there's like a shop now button, there's the price, Amazon Prime, and you could insert this, for example, on your WordPress site. So here are some examples of sales that I've generated from these affiliate links, and you can see here that for these expensive headphones, somebody bought them at a very good price. So 533 is actually a very good price for that headphones. That's less than half the price that I paid here in the Philippines. And of course, that's just for a specific color and one that tends to fade. So that's probably one of the reasons it's cheaper. But nonetheless, I generated the sale, and that produced $16 in commission to me. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but if you're able to get enough volume or you're able to sell products that are even more expensive than that, then your affiliate commission is going to add up over time and hopefully become a good source of passive income for you. You can see this product sold for $133 and I generated $4. And then we have some much cheaper products. So for example, here I was promoting an umbrella that costs over $100. That's what I was reviewing. And somebody went on and ended up buying a $11 umbrella, which is fine. At least I'm getting some commission there, even though they're not buying the luxury products that I actually reviewed. You can see that Amazon Associates provides a list of rates that you get, the commissions you're going to get from the sales. I specified here the country is the United States. So you can see Amazon Games has a 20% commission rate, Premium Beauty 12%. So these seem somewhat high compared to the around 3% that I generated with these headphones. But if you're in one of these high commission categories, then perhaps you can get some lucrative margins there. The more direct way to monetize your YouTube channel is to become a YouTube partner and essentially allow YouTube and Google to run ads in and around your videos. However, there are some requirements to reach. To reach monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers, and you also need to meet one of these criteria, which is 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. So you can organically accumulate these subscribers, views, watch hours, etc. by promoting your YouTube videos with SEO, etc. You can also pay for ads. Another easy way to get monetized is just to search for get YouTube channel monetized on Fiverr and then pay someone who will monetize your channel. Now, if you do this approach, make sure you ask them if the advertising that they're going to be running is included in the price or if the price just includes their labor. Because what they're highly likely to do is to run YouTube ads to generate, for example, the watch hours and the subscribers. Another thing that you can do is you can just run YouTube ads yourself. And I go into great length in this course explaining in detail how to run YouTube ads. Just as a quick overview here, you can create a campaign, use this setting in the bottom right, which is the advanced setting where you can determine and set all the criteria that you want. I would select video as the campaign type, and then you can set a target. So for example, if you're just trying to get your view numbers up, you can go for efficient reach, target frequency, etc., drive conversions. An easy way to get the public watch hours would be just to promote video views. And the idea here is just to get the views up. It's not necessarily getting views from the right people. So what I would do is just target globally so that you're telling Google, you're telling YouTube that you just want the cheapest views possible. So targeting cheaper countries where you're just paying cents to get views or use whatever the local currency is.